In this video, we will show the installation steps needed for LightLock Flex channels, including retrofit and bulk orders. Retrofits require 1/8 inch on each side of the shade between their end cap and the wall for the entire height to improve the light seal for the bottom of your honeycomb LightLock shade. Here are the tools required to conduct the installation: a pencil, 5/32 inch drill bit, number 1 Robertson drive, a flat blade screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, measuring tape, power drill, tin snips, scissors, or utility knife. Unwrap both magnets from the protective wrap and make sure you have 2 magnet bracket assemblies and 2 white plastic cam locks. Check the magnet bracket assemblies for an extra square magnet. There should only be one. Remove the extra magnet if you see one. Remove the end caps on your bottom rail. You may need to use a flathead screwdriver to carefully pry them off. Slide the bottom rail to one side so it extends past the fabric by 4 to 5 inches. Place the white plastic cam lock into the magnet bracket and insert the bracket into the bottom rail. Make sure to hold the cam lock in the bracket until it is inserted into the moving rail to prevent it from falling out. Once inserted, slide the magnet bracket until it is 1 to 2 inches in from the edge of the bottom rail. Use a flathead screwdriver to rotate the cam lock by 90 degrees. Slide the bottom rail over, replace the end cap, and repeat the same steps for the other side. For bulk ordered channels, the LightLock Flex channels will need to be notched on the right side for power view shades to allow access to the control button and charging port. New orders in retrofit will arrive notched. One note: the foam strip faces away from the window. Identify the right-hand channel that will be notched. Measure and mark 1 3/8 inch from the top of the right-hand channel. Similar to how drywall is cut, score along the inside edge of the channel from the previously made mark to the end. Cut along the taller street side. Gently bend the short edge of the channel back and forth along the score line until the notch breaks in a clean line. A file may be used to clean up the edge. This covers the extra steps needed for LightLock Flex retrofit and bulk installation orders. The following steps will apply to all LightLock Flex shades. Check that your channels have the correct notching for your control system, while LightRise LightLock Flex channels will have no notches. Check each side of the existing Duette shade to ensure there is at least 1/8 inch on each side of the window, allowing space for the side rails. Retrofits require 1/8 inch on each side of the shade between their end cap and the wall for the entire height. With the shade mounted, dry fit your side channels and sill channel by positioning them around the shade and window to ensure proper size and fit. When inserting the LightLock Flex channels, make sure the foam is always towards the back, away from the room. When inserting the sill channel, make sure that the taller street side faces away from the room. After confirming proper fit, remove all channels from the window frame for preparation. On a work surface, measure the total stack height of your shade, from the top of the headrail to the bottom rail while the shade is in the stacked position, and add an additional 1 inch. Make a mark at that location. For our video, it is 3 3/4 inches. Then continue marking the rear scribe line of your side channels every 12 inches. Please double check that you are orienting and measuring your left and right side channels correctly, as they will not be interchangeable once drilled. Use a 5/32 drill bit and carefully drill through your marks. Position the side channels back into the window frame. While firmly holding the side channel against the window frame, install the screws straight into the channel, making sure to slowly seat the screws flush against the channel's inner surface. Use caution to ensure your screw head does not go through the channels. Repeat for the other side. If necessary, install additional screws in the side channel as needed to ensure the channels are flush against the window frame. If adhering the sill channel with tape, clean your window sill with isopropyl alcohol if needed. Remove the adhesive backer from the double-sided adhesive on the bottom of the sill channel. Position the sill channel between the installed LightLock Flex channels. Make sure that the taller street side faces away from the room. Press down firmly. If screwing the sill channel, position the sill channel between the installed LightLock Flex channels. Make sure that the taller street side faces away from the room. Install the screws in the pre-drilled holes. Your shade is now ready for use.